Welcome guys, welcome to our new vlogs. So today I am here at Dev Aurangabad, and one of the famous temple of Dev Aurangabad is Surya Mandir temple, a sun temple, which is one of the sacred temple of Dev Aurangabad. And today is Sunday and we are here at the Dev Aurangabad temple, sun temple, just to have a darshan of the sun. And this temple has its own history, which I'll be covering in the video once we'll move forward. And the best part of this temple is facing towards west, but most of the sun temple in India is facing toward the east, that is the rising sun, but this temple is facing toward the west, which is the setting sunset. So there is a lot of significance and belief around this temple, and this is one of the famous temple of this place. This place we also known as the famous place during the Chhat Puja, because that puja is all about tributing to Lord Sun. And if you see the architecture of this particular temple, this was constructed around 6th to 7th century according to the ASI, and this temple was constructed with Nagri architecture and Dravidian architecture. If you see the architecture of this temple, it was built around 8th century, and how beautiful this temple looks. A beautiful sun temple, a sacred temple, and the belief says that around 650 CE, during Gupta era, this temple was built by Lord Vishwakarma himself in one night. A lot of beliefs around this temple is there. Today is Sunday, the auspicious day, and on this day the people have gathered like anything in this temple just to have a worship to Lord Sun on Sunday. And as I mentioned that this temple has lot of beliefs, lot of by the devotees, and lot of devotees used to come to this temple. And I'll just take you inside this temple. If you see, Lord Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh is there inside the temple. And we call it as the Lord Sun. But in the view, the form of Lord Sun is there in the form of Lord Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh, and guys, there is a lot of beliefs around this temple. As I mentioned, that this is one of the sacred place where people come to worship, especially on all day, all season. But since today is Sunday, the crowd is more on Sun Temple, and its uniqueness of this temple is that it is facing towards the west, not towards the rising sun east. And also there are a lot of beliefs around that around 8th century this temple was vandalized, and then again it was recovered back by few of the kings. So they have their so many histories. Some of the folks say about earlier it was Buddha temple, and then since it was conquered by some of the king and again it is recovered back, that's the reason it is facing toward west. But there are a lot of beliefs around the books. If you read the books, if you read so many articles around this, you'll get so many different views and their own way of thinking, their own way of describing the thing. But whatever may be, this temple itself has its own feeling. Is, as I said, that if you see around this, the people have crowded like anything. The beautiful temple, and at the top of this temple is a golden round which is made up of gold. The whole temple is constructed in Nagari architecture and Dravidian architecture, and it's a mixture of both the architecture in this temple. I'll also take you around outside of the temple, which is how beautiful this shops and other things around this temple is. So this is called as Dandvat Dwar of Lord Sun, the god Sun. The Dandvat Dwar is there, and this is a Surya Mandir Dev, and beautiful Surya Mandir is there for this. It's really beautiful, guys, and see the places around this temple just to. And this is Pravesh Dwar, which is the entry mark of this temple. And with this, I've covered a round of this temple and told a brief history about this temple and the significance of temple. And at the time of Chhath Puja, the crowd is like anything, because people used to come here to do a tribute to a Lord Sun through a Chhath Puja, and that is a time when the people crowded like anything around this place. The people are just here to celebrate the Chhath Puja with their loved beings and with their family around the sacred place of Lord Sun, which is one of the believed place in India. So the crowd around that time, somewhere around October and November, is way high, and you even not going to get a hotels or something around this place, because that time is the peak time, and people around that is way high because of the Chhath Puja celebrations. And with that, I'm good to close my vlog here itself. We'll meet in a new video with a new content. Bye bye for now. Keep watching, keep liking, keep subscribing, and be healthy. Be happy with your friends, be happy with your loved ones, and bye bye for now. Thank you so much.